So in this problem, we're working backward. We know what the relative minimum is, and now we're just trying to find the values of a and b that gave us that minimum. So 2 is the x and 1 is the y. So that means at 2, we had our minimum. And don't forget, when you have a minimum, the graph comes down and then goes back up. So that means it's negative, 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 positive, 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 positive. And right here at 2, you had a critical number. So that means a critical number happens where the derivative is 0. So here's the original function. You're going to take the derivative of that. So y prime equals 2ax plus b, and the 3 is a constant, so it goes to 0. And you're going to set that equal to 0, and that will give you x. Well, here's the really cool thing. You already know the x value. The x value is 2. This is the x-axis. So we can plug that 2 into here. So 0 equals 2a, and we know the x is 2 plus b. So we get 0 equals 4a plus b, but we are no closer to finding a and b. So now we also know that at 2, when x is 2, y is 1. So we can plug that into the original equation. So when x is 2, y is 1. So 1 equals a times, remember x is 2, plus b, again, x is 2, plus 3. And we just solve or simplify. So that gives us 1 equals 4a plus 2b plus 3. And if we want to simplify a little bit more, we can subtract 3 from both sides. And so we have negative 2 equals 4a plus 2b. So at this point, we have 2 unknowns and 2 different equations. When we have that, we can just do a system of equations. So I'm just going to pull this one over here. 0 equals 4a plus b. Just going to use elimination. And I'm going to multiply this entire equation by negative 1. And that's going to give me negative 2 equals 0. And this is 2b minus b, which is plus b. So that tells us once I know b, I can plug it in and find a. This is the easier equation in my opinion. So I'm having 0 equals 4a, and b is plus negative 2. So that means 2 equals 4a, and divide both sides by 4, and that gives you a equals 1/2.